Hi, I'm Alison O'Connor, the Horty Hipster. Spring means a lot of things, and it also means a lot of growth for your houseplants. If you're looking to upshift your houseplants, there's a couple things you can look for. One is any sort of roots out the bottom of the pot, or a lot of roots around the outside periphery of the root ball. If you have roots coming out of the top of the pot, that's also a good sign. When you repot, just go one size larger. So this plant would be perfectly happy in this container size. Make sure you water well, maybe give them a boost of fertilizer, and put them back in the spot that they were happily growing.